Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our new video part. Today we are coming down here in the city of Peoria area at the Arizona Lake of Lake Pleasant is located in Arizona in the division of Peoria City. We hope you will enjoy our video part that we are going to make today, and hopefully you will be definitely know a lot of everything about of the Arizona, and you will gain a lot of knowledge and experience to get into the Arizona state and enjoy your day here in the great state of Arizona. Alright, for the good information here is, if you would like to come down here to get the boats, you might want to purchase the ticket online, and then you will get your reservation in the right way. The boat tickets that you will purchase is really expensive, and if you want to have a capacity of the people like 8 or 10, you might want to rent a boat like $300 to $650. It is very expensive for riding a boat time in a day. So if you would like to come down here at the lake, go get your ticket online and get the information, and then you will get to know all the information all about things you will have to do and make your day here in the lake and riding the boat at the lake of your time here for your present time moment. Alright, actually I'm here at the site. Here is a discovery place, a place where people bring their kids, their friends, and their family coming down here to play at the playground. You will see the children can play a lot of things here and do everything for the swinging, for the riding, for the jogging, for the running, and a lot of things to do when you are coming down here. But if you would like to get a boat, you might want to go the other side. It's a bit quite drive, about 6-7 minutes to the other side, and then you will see the boat station and the reservation office, and also they do have the restaurants, the restroom, and other many places that you can carry out your day here at the lake. Alright, for the good information that I can give you is for the boat rental place. If you come down here at the stop place here at the Discovery here, this is the place, the Discovery here, and then you might wanna drive out of from here and turn a little bit to the other side, a bit quite about, like I said, 7 or 10 minutes, and then you will get to the other side of the lake, and you will see the lake and the boat station. The boat station, the name is Scorpion Bay, and then you can go down there and get your boat right away after you purchase your ticket online, and everything will go smoothly for your reservation, and you will enjoy your day at the lake with your boat. Actually, when I come down here, it reminds me that by the time when I went to the upstate New York, some of you guys who live here in the United States, you might know about 1,000 islands located in the upstate New York. That was so very beautiful place. So like I said, when I come down here, it reminds me that we were riding the boats on the lake in New York, the Empire State of New York. So anyway, I hope you will like the video part that I made it for you guys, and also you will get to know all of things. Everything that you will get to know yourself to do things here at the lake, and how you will spend your time with your family and your friends at the site here in the lake. Alright, hope you guys all enjoy here. So if you do like the video that I made it, you can make your decision, hit the subscribe button, and also make sure you get all the information that I give you on this video. And then you can come down anytime with your friends and your family, your kids, and anyone who will come with you at any time at the lake here in Arizona. Hope you guys enjoy your day here and enjoy the video too. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, one more thing I would like to tell you guys about how to get to the lake. Alright, some of you, if you live here in Arizona, most of the people that I know here in Arizona is mostly people live in the city of Phoenix, and a few people live in Tucson. Alright, if you live in the city of Phoenix, and if you start driving from, if you start driving from Phoenix, it might take you like 1 hour or less than 1 hour. It depends on your drive. Be careful anytime when you drive, because the Arizona road is a quite bit mountainous place. Like a mountainous place, but it's beautiful though. The highway that you would take it, the I-17, it is located in the city of Phoenix. Some of the people that I know is they use the interstate I-10 because it depends on the place where you live. Okay, if you live in Tempe or Mesa or Chandler, you might take the I-10. And some of you guys, if you live in Phoenix, you might take the interstate 17. But if you live in the city like Gilbert, Chandler, like Mesa or Tempe, it might take you like more than an hour. But if you live in the city of Phoenix, you might take like about 1 hour. Okay, some people who live in Scottsdale City, you might take the highway 101 or maybe Arizona 51. Maybe it depends on you guys drive which highway. So if you live in the city of Scottsdale, it might take you like approximately more than an hour. Alright guys, this is all the information that I give you on this video is the information about how to get to the lake here in a place in the city of Peoria. The lake name here is we call Lake Pleasant. Alright guys, I hope you guys like this video, and if you do like this video, you can subscribe and hit the subscribe button, and I appreciate your help, and I thank you for your supporting our video. Again, thank you so much guys, and have your beautiful day. God bless you all guys. God bless you. Where's Kaya?
Here, come.
Yeah, I see.
I don't know.
You don't know? See. Go here. Let me take the picture. Let me do that.
Where's the ring? Where's the ring? Where's the ring? Where is it?
This video is supported by Gnyopo America, Korean USA Identity. And also, this video is supported by Gnyopo Free Time, Korean Outdoor Times. And as well as this video is supported by Gnyopo America, Our Friendly World.